Assalamualaikum all viewers and dear students and ladies and gentlemen. Today we will discuss about the theorem of chapter number 10 from 10 class books of any country. So now we are proceeding to the statement of theorem. Tangents drawn toward circles from the outside point of the circle and they are equal in length. Statement. Tangents are drawn from the outside point from the circle it will be equals in length. This is the statement of theorem, or we can say that two tangents are drawn from the outside of a circle of any point. They are equals in length. So first of all, we discussed in earlier already. For example, we have one of the circles. If the circumference of the circle is touched from the this point of the circles, so this is called tangent. This point is called tangent. Tangent or point of contact. Now, in the theorem, there are tangents, means that two points are given from the outside of the circle. Two tangents are drawn. So one of the circles we have and two tangents we take. This is the center of the circles, and one of the point here we take, for example, P. P is outside of the point. Now tangents means that the point of contact where the circle touches any two points, two tangents. So this is P, Q, and similarly we draw another P, Q, R. So this point and this point are called Q and R are the point of contact, and P is the outside point from the circle. When two tangents are drawn, PQ is the one tangent point and PR is the another tangent point. So we join here. Now, according to the theorem, tangents are drawn from the outside of the points. So we will check this one, that they prove that they are equal in length. So given, we take a circle with center O, PQ, and PR, any two tangents from the outside of the point P. Now to prove these two tangents are equal in length, equals in length. So it means that PQ is congruent to PR. We want to prove this one. Now construction is required here. Construction, we join OQ and OR. Join O to Q and R. We get two triangles. Look here, P O Q P O R. We get two triangles. Now statement, proof, statements and reasons. Statement, if we write here, so it will be good. Statements. Now the comparison of the two triangles, and triangle P. First, if we define here O, Q and R, since we can write here the according to the definition here, since Q and R are the point of contact, so it means that here OQ is perpendicular PQ and OR is perpendicular to PR. According to the definition of tangent, tangent is perpendicular to the point of contact. Tangent is perpendicular to the point of contact. Now the comparison of an triangle POQ, one to one's corresponding triangle POR. OP and OPS common. OQ is congruent to OR. Radial segment, radii of the same circle. OQ and OR, the radii are radial segment, and similarly PQO, P angle PQO is congruent angle PRO. Each is right angles. Each is a right angle. Means that the degree is 90 degree. So this will be 90 degree. So the triangles are congruent. Triangle POQ is congruent triangle POR. Here hypotenuse sides, we can say that. So PQ is congruent to PR. Corresponding sides of congruent triangles PQ and PR, the corresponding sides, or measurement PQ is equal to measurement PR. So they are two tangents PQ and PR, the required proof. Two tangents, are equal in length. Thank you very much for watching, and please pray for me. Once again, appreciate you in advance.